sandy beaches near Palermo that you can reach by public transport. Mondello, the most popular place. The sea is very beautiful and clean with incredible watercolor, but it's always very crowded here and almost all of the beach area is paid. It's easy to get there by bus from Palermo in 30-40 minutes. Isola delle Femmine. The sea is also very beautiful and clean. There are also paid zones here, but at the same time, there are many free spots. The coastline is very long, so everyone can find a place. There are also many places where you can eat, drink, and enjoy the Sicilian dolce vita. You can go there by train from the central station in 13-14 minutes. Terrasini, a small resort town loved by both Sicilians and tourists. There are two beaches, one small in Terrasini and another in Cinisi, the small town near. The water is very wonderful and the town is very cute with many places to eat and drink. In description you can find more information how to get to these beaches. Follow my blog where I share about life in Sicily through the eyes of a Slavic girl. Ciao ciao!